Hello there. We are looking at creating your first project, your first design here in TinkerCAD for laser cutting. So here we go. We just click create new design here, and you've done some of the little tutorials. So your first design should be no larger, as in the directions, than 3.5 inches by 1.5 inches. But right now, this is a big change you'll need to do. This is in millimeters, as you can see down here. So let's change that. We'll say edit grid right there. We'll say, let's put that as inches. And we'll say update grid. Now, look at that, we're in inches now when we click on this. We want something that's no bigger than 3.5 by 1.5. Or if you want to switch those numbers around, you can too, but that works just fine. Or we can, the other thing, since we're going to be laser cutting here, I recommend always putting it into this orthographic, switch to flat view versus orthographic, which is what we're in now, so that it's more flat looking here. It's going to make your life easier. We can rotate that. You don't have to have a rectangle. You could start off with some sort of cylinder or something like that, whatever shape you really want. But again, it should be no larger than 1.5 by 3.5. And then you can put some text in there, have some fun, put whatever shapes you want in there too. You might want a heart in there, but we're going to be cutting away this material. So let's imagine you put something there, and we want to make it a hole. So when we select it there, we're going to say hole, as you might have remember from some of your tutorials. But now when I put it there, this isn't looking right. I can't see my text anymore. It's because when I look at it from the side, not tall enough. So sometimes you have to play with this a little bit. Since this is made for 3D printing, you have to do some little alterations sometimes. And you can really do whatever you want. Maybe you want it like that. Maybe you want this to be a hole in there also. Oop, I can't see it again. Have fun with this. Make whatever designs you like. Sometimes also you'll notice it's above. It's only going to export what's on this blue surface down here, as we've mentioned in class before. So it has to be cutting all the way through there. Maybe I want that heart to be something like this. Doesn't really matter right now. I'm just giving you some ideas. When you're done, you like the way it looks, you're going to group it. Now, you'll be ready to export. First project, have fun, make a design, make it cool, make it awesome. Enjoy. Bye-bye.